Hey everyone, welcome back to our series on building a directory website with Divi 5 and GeoDirectory. In today's video, we are going to show how to design archive page and the search page step by step using Divi 5 and GeoDirectory. So let's dive in. Okay, now look at the archive page, guys. It looks something like this. And the archive item, meaning this business listing, is called an archive item, right? And the archive page means the page that contains the listing items for all the listings, right? So now let's also take a look at this search page. Look, the search page is also the same, right? So we will start with the archive page. After that, we will do the search page, and then we will also show the archive item, right? Let's get started. For that, first we need to come into the WordPress dashboard, then hover over Divi and click on Theme Builder. Then guys, click on Add New Template and click on Build New Template. After that, what you need to do here is design the archive page for the places, the archive page, right? Which is our CPT that has been created. And we will also assign it to the GD search result. So the GD search result and our places archive page will remain the same, right? But it will keep changing dynamically. So we will click on Create Template. After that, we will click on Add Custom Body and click on Build Custom Body. Then the Divi Builder editor opened to design the archive page, right? Now let's start. First, we will have a hero section, right? So for that, first we will click on the plus icon and take a column. We will put something inside this. Well, before putting anything inside, we will give this section a color, right? Let's open the layer. Click on this section and come to the background. We will set the background color to orange, right? We will set it to orange. Then we will take a heading inside this. Then we will change its name and put a dynamic title from here, right? So for that, what we need to do is click on this dynamic content that is appearing. And from here, we will click on this post and archive title, right? Then we will apply it and come to its design. Then come to heading text and select H2 to open its heading font. We will make the font family and weight a bit bold, semi-bold. We will set the alignment to center and we will make the color white. And we will set the heading size to 36, right? And what will we put below this? We will put a search bar. And so for that, what do we need to do? By clicking on the three dots of the heading block. Click on Add Element, click on Add Element inside, and take a code block here. Then we have to put the shortcode here, the GD search shortcode, right? So from here, keeping all these as default, we come to the wrapper style. We will set the margin bottom to 0. We will set the border color to none. We will copy the rest of it. We will put it inside the code box, right? Then this search bar will show up here. Look, guys, right? And then coming to the main section, we come to the design. Coming to spacing, we will add 30 pixels of padding from the top and bottom. Let's give it more. Like, let's say we give 80 pixels on both sides, right? Okay, our hero section is done. Now we will put another new section below this in which we will keep 2 columns, right, of this type. Then we will put the listing in the left column. Before the listing, we will put the loop action. For that, we will need to take a code block in which we will put the shortcode. From here, we select the loop action 1 in the shortcode. Then we will keep all these from here. This means you can put which listing grid view, 1 column, 2 columns, all these, right? We can design it by coming to the buttons, right? We will keep the margin bottom at 3 for the rest, right? And from here, we will set the border color to none. Then we will copy the shortcode and put it in here. We will close this. Then we will take another code block right below this. Let's duplicate it. And we will put a new shortcode in this code block, which will be the loop shortcode, which will show our listing. We will set it to 3 in the grid view, and we will keep the card design as default like this. Coming to the wrapper, we will set its border color to none as well. Then after coming to the design, this default item that is visible, we can select the design of that item, the archive item, which shows the listing item from here. So we will show that too, right? We are currently using the default archive item. Then we will copy the shortcode and replace it with this shortcode, right? After that, what will we put in the right box? Well, before that, what we need to do is put another shortcode below the listing. Again, we can put a shortcode inside this code as well. So we will put it inside this. So again, by clicking on the shortcode, we will take the shortcode loop pagination, right? So we will do the default settings for pagination. Or if we keep it default, there is no problem. So we will set the border to none from this, right? We have set the border to none. This means loop pagination means after how many listings you want to show the pagination in the listing. It's become like this. So then we will paste it in here. So look, pagination has also appeared. All right, guys, now we will add a map to the right section. For that, we will take a code block. And in this shortcode, we will put the GeoDirectory map 1. And coming to the content, let's set the post type to auto. Click on advanced mode to turn it on. Then click on the map and set its height to 100 VH. Leave everything else as default. Come to the wrapper style and set the border to none. And the border radius style is fine. Let's leave it as default. Copy the shortcode, close this and paste it in there. Then we will save it. Now guys, look, we will come to our archive page. After that, we will refresh the page. Refreshing it will make it look like it did before, as it's the default. For that, we first need to go back to the editor. We must go back and save the changes. Otherwise, the changes we made won't be saved. So then it won't show up. Then we come to the front end. We will refresh the page. Boom, guys. Now our places, which is the name of the CPT, is showing up. Okay? This loop action has appeared on our archive page. We can do sorting here, or as I said, we can show it as grid view 1, grid view 2, and so on. By default, we will keep it as grid view 3. This is for the user interface. Okay? If we show it as 2, then the pagination has also appeared like this. Now our map is also working. Now what we do is our archive page is visible here. Okay? Now we will click on search to see the search page as well. Look, guys, now our search page is also visible. Okay, so guys, I was talking about this archive item. So now you can edit the design of the archive item. We will show you where from. First, you have to come inside the WordPress dashboard, then come to the GeoDirectory settings. Then you have to come here under these pages. Look here, guys, we can also design the location page. We can design the add listing page. Okay. We have designed the search page and assigned it. Okay. We will show the detail page and all that later. So now look, the archive item page has appeared. The archive item here is the default archive item. So you have to click on action and then click on edit page. So look, guys, the item you see now is the default item that was created from the classic editor. So by clicking on it, you see there are many options that you can customize. You can also customize the default item. If you want to create a completely custom item from Divi, you can do that too. So in today's video, we showed the archive page and the search page. In the next video, we will show you how to create an archive item and single page of a listing. We also provide directory website development services. If you need a customized solution for your directory website, we're here to help. You can hire us at buddydevelopers.com. You can also follow us on our other social media channels. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.